Your anger isn't rebellion, it's a subscription service. You think you're fighting the system is literally billing you. Every rage tap, every share, every sleepless night scrolling at 3 in the morning. That's not activism, that's recurring revenue. Let's dissect the psychological feedback loop. Your brain gets hit with a threat, cortisol spikes. You double down, the algorithm notices. It feeds you more threats. Your cortisol spikes again, you're not outraged. You're farmed. This isn't politics, it's behavioral conditioning. Myth number 1, that this is grassroots energy. Please. Grassroots doesn't trend instantly across 100 million accounts using the exact same hashtag. That's narrative warfare. You're not organizing a movement. You're training an AI to predict your next tantrum. Enter demographic velocity. That's just a fancy way of saying your tribe is shrinking, so you're screaming louder. The left knows this. They don't need you to win debates. They need you to look unhinged. Every time you scream about border policy or school boards, you're handing them a demographic win on a silver platter. Myth number 2, that they're silencing you. Silencing? Honey, you're paying for the amplification. Constitutional loopholes don't protect you from your own screen time addiction. Force projection isn't about tanks. It's about who controls the attention economy. And right now, you're funding their projection. Let's talk tribal betrayal. You think you're on the right team, but the right team doesn't want you awake, it wants you reactive. Cognitive dissonance isn't a bug, it's the product. You get mad, they get metrics. You get metrics, they get your wallet. It's a perfect circle of delusional coping. Myth number 3, that you're fighting for principles. Principles don't trend. Principles don't go viral at 2 in the morning. You're chasing dopamine hits disguised as patriotism. The left's playbook is simple. Keep you exhausted, keep you angry, keep you scrolling. While you're busy defending yesterday's headlines, they're rewriting tomorrow's reality. What does the left actually want? Not your vote. Your vote is cheap. They want your exhaustion. They want you too busy rage-quitting reality to notice policy shifts. While you're busy screaming about culture war landmines, they're quietly passing legislation that changes everything. Skill issue. You think you're the resistance. You're the resistance's subscription fee. Every time you click, share, and lose your mind, you're funding the exact machinery designed to replace you. The left doesn't need to defeat you. They just need you to keep pressing that like button while they quietly win. Since 1995, we've been told outrage equals power. It's a lie. Outrage equals predictability, and predictability equals control. You're not breaking the system, you're stress testing it. Every tantrum is a data point, every share is a receipt. You're not a warrior, you're a metric. The left doesn't need you to convert, they need you to consume. $3 billion in ad revenue doesn't come from peace. It comes from polarization. You're not fighting a culture war, you're funding a content farm, and the farm is harvesting you. So here's your choice. Keep feeding the algorithm, or log off and wake up. The system doesn't want you angry, it wants you predictable. Break the loop. Question the outrage. And for the love of God, stop paying for your own brain rot. Comment below if you're ready to unsubscribe.